Hello, beautiful people, shalom, moneymakers. Welcome back to Crypto Labs News, your trusted source for the latest and the greatest in crypto and financial updates. Today, we're diving deep into some massive breaking developments: Bitcoin, XRP, the financial markets, SEC moves, and yes, President Trump's big, beautiful bill just got Senate approval. There's a lot to unpack, so make sure to hit that like button to send out those good vibes. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so YouTube doesn't keep you in the dark like it did to one of our viewers yesterday. Let's jump into it. Breaking news: Trump's mega bill passes the Senate. U.S. Senate has officially passed President Trump's highly anticipated economic package, what some are calling the big beautiful bill. It was a nail-biter, only passing after a tie-breaking vote by the vice president. This now clears the way for a final House vote, a major step forward for Trump's economic agenda. Markets were immediately on edge with this one. Bitcoin and XRP price movement following the news, and comments from Fed Chairman Jerome Powell, the markets took a wild turn. Bitcoin dropped sharply from $107,100 to $105,683. That's a 1.4% dip. XRP also took a hit, down to $2.19, a 1.83% decrease. Ethereum followed, falling to 0.2%. The stock market saw a similar reaction, but has mostly recovered. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is still stabilizing, likely due to a wave of liquidations across BTC and ETH long positions. Quick glance at liquidations: longs got wiped out hard in the past. For our markets are reacting to uncertainty around Fed policy. Fed update: rate cuts in play. Fed Chair Powell says a solid majority within the Fed expect rate cuts later this year, but he's not committing to a July cut just yet. That indecision has markets jittery. On top of that, U.S. job openings came in at 7.7 million, way above the expected 7.3 million. That's a surprise for OOK, more than anticipated. This brings up a big question: is the labor market too strong for the Fed to cut rates just yet? SEC approves Grayscale ETF XRP included. This one's huge. The SEC has officially approved Grayscale's conversion of its digital large-cap fund into a spot ETF featuring Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and yes, XRP. This is the first US-approved ETF with XRP exposure, not a futures fund, but a spot-based structure. While it's not a pure XRP ETF, it's a major milestone. Yesterday, we speculated this was coming. Now it's official. This might also explain XRP's price surge before the pullback, along with the XRP Ledger EVM cytokine going live. A lot of catalysts in play: global crypto expansion. Deutsche Bank joins the party. More major institutions are stepping into the crypto world. Germany's Deutsche Bank, one of the world's largest and strongest banks, just announced plans to launch crypto custody services in 2026, with U.S. banks warming up to crypto and now global giants joining in. This signals a powerful shift toward broader adoption. What's ahead this week? Key dates to keep your eyes on: Wednesday, ADP employment report. Thursday, initial jobless claims right before the 4th of July holiday. We'll continue monitoring how markets react. Leading into the long weekend, Bitcoin just closed June with the highest monthly candle close ever, ending at $107,179, a new all-time monthly high. So is this the peak? Or is this just the beginning of something bigger? Some bears think this is it, but with institutions jumping in, ETFs getting approval, and geopolitical momentum building, it's hard not to stay bullish. That said, stay cautious. There's volatility. There's uncertainty. Trade smart. Leverage trading reminder: BTCC. If you're trading with leverage, like through our partner BTCC, remember, high risk, high reward. You can start with a demo account to learn before going live. If you deposit over $500, you'll get a 10% bonus, and A shot at up to $10,000 depending on your volume. This is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and beware of scammers. I'll never DM you asking for money or to join shady groups. Thank you for spending part of your 4th of July week with Crypto Labs News. I know many of you are already on vacation, so I really appreciate your time, and to the 60% of you watching from the US, Happy Independence Day. If anything changes in the markets or with the geopolitical situation, I'll update you later tonight. For now, we'll wrap things up here. Just in case I need to take shelter